Alright, so this video is showing the entire set we just assembled and basically showing where all the components go and how it all packages in and assembles in the box. So, very first thing is these are all the different enemy drawers. So you basically have little enemy standees with their associated coin right next to them there. Makes it really convenient to pull everything out. So these all are going to insert into the enemy tray. I'm going to slide all 5 of these right in here. Okay, set that off the side for right now. And then this is the base tray. So this is where you basically got all of your minifigs. So these are all the bosses, all the allies, all your characters, and you've got your mini cards off to the side here. There's 2 cavities. One of these is going to be for the token tray, and then the other one is going to be for the boss drawer. So this is the boss drawer that we assembled earlier. So you got all the bosses and the man in black here, all lined up here with their associated coins and the secondary coin for the different bosses. And then back in the back cavities here are your ally coins and your character coins. So then this is just going to insert directly into this wall here, or this cavity here. Like that. These are all the different token trays. So these are the ones that you're playing with throughout the game. So you got your like cleared room tokens, the various stat tokens and all that. So these are the ones that have the little rubber feet on the bottom of them. So when you put them on the table, they got small walls so you can grab them throughout the gameplay, and with the rubber feet they really don't go anywhere, so you can reach in there and it makes it pretty nice. And then you got the different stat trackers here, or the health trackers. So this is the base drawer, and then these 2 trays just basically sit inside of it, just like that and like that. So everything's nice and retained. And then that is going to slide into this other cavity right here. Just like that. So, and then this one's got a little finger grab right here on the left side. We're pulling it out since you don't have access to the back. So this one does have an access port back here, as does the enemy tray, to where if you want to push it out with your finger, it makes it a little bit easier to grab sometimes. And it also has the grab spot right here if you just want to pull it directly. So this is the base tray. So the enemy tray then sits on top of it. You've got these 3 little notches right here, and that corresponds with the notches on the bottom here. So this is just going to kind of nest right on top just like that. Everything locks together so it stays put. And put that off to the side again. And then this is the card holder. So you've got the various these are all the commander and man in black cards, the little bit oversized cards. So these are all going to nest right in here. You got the large dice right on top. And then you've got the various enemy cards and encounter cards all in these cavities here. And then we have the clone coins right nested in right here. And this is all the rest of the dice. And then these are all the setup tokens. So you're just going to insert that right in on top. This is going to slide in with this wall here, helping to retain the larger cards. It just slides in. Again, there's a push-out spot on the back to help push that out. You can kind of wiggle it out this way, but with that wall being up, it kind of creates a moment. It makes it kind of grabby, so it helps to push out from the back. And then, so this is the standard box. So first thing you're going to do is take the 2 trays, and they're just going to drop right in. Slide them over. And then you're going to take this, the card holder, and you got a really nice grab spot right here on the dice section. So you just grab right here on these little hexagons, lift that whole thing up, it drops right in. And then all the play mats and everything can sit on top of this. If you're really good, I think you can probably get the towers to disassemble and nest in here the same way you can with the normal set, but I'm not that good, so I usually have the extension in here, and everything fits. So there we go.